Kene jitikiria gorogi konyitoga ni guko kwa Muthingi TV Gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa mothe ari ni tariki 5 mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 2024 tukire thiku ya gatano ya mweri uyu mweru wa etatu gakihoka thiku yaku no iragithi orowega ni ndoka ngumenyithia bururi wa gitindo kigariura ripoti kuma county itiganite guku bururi wa Kenya nginyagia ripoti kuma jawa itoka bururi tukorokia nginya ripoti cia mathako ni maingi maria twikuhariririe Gikunjuro-ini giki gitu kia mohoro wona wetikira gutwarana nanie. Muno ni we gwetikira guturana izuri kana turamemerekia emwe kwa emwe nende ciothe cia ukinyaniria kuria muno wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV wahiuka kuria muno wa YouTube owe tukora kwa @Muthingi TV na ni gikare gitigi kia umemerekia indo ciothe jitikaga wa irimu wa kimani na tukiambiriria ni ati arimi mucere kuma thikimu-ini ya Mwea riu ni mahotete gukorwo makirima mucere maita meri oro mwaka undu uria wongererekete kana gukorwo ukiongerera gikiro kia mucere guku bururi-ini o ni kuringana na muikariri giti wa bodi ya ruhonge rwa urimi wa mai Gilbert Muluki na uria akiuga ati urimi ni mararumukia mai na njira njega na riu makiria kwikirika guthondeka eka 10,000 cia mugunda wa mucere ni ripoti ira tukihaririirio ni Wanjiru wa Maina na niyo iratuhingura Gikunjuro tukia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
Icera-ini ria bodi ya ruhonge rwa urimi wa mai rwa National Irrigation Authority kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga riambiriirie ndemu-ini ya Thiba guthurima uria arimi marakinyirwo ni mai. Kuringana na muikariri giti wa bodi ya ruhonge rwa urimi wa mai Gilbert Muluki ni augite ati arimi ni mamukirite mai na njira nene undu uria wongereire magetha ma mucere kuma Mwea amu ni marahota kugetha maita meri o mwaka.
Farmers are doing double cropping, which is very encouraging. Initially they used to do one cropping season before Thiba Dam, but once the Thiba Dam came in, the farmers have been able to do double cropping, which in other words means that increase in production.
Thirikari ikoretwo mubango-ini wa kuongerera mugunda wa mucere na eka 10,000 na riu Gilbert Muluki ni augite ati gukinyeria muthia wa mwaka uyu eka 10,000 ni igukorwo ikirimwo mucere.
The first batch 5,000 acres will be done roughly by May. We'll be able now to get half of that, then by the end of the year we should be done with the project. So we are expecting the project to be fully operational by the end of this year, not the financial year, the physical calendar year. We expect to put 10,000 acres under irrigation.
Thina munene kuri arimi ukoretwo ari wagi wa fertilizer, nyoni cia kwerea na ndinoho iria ikoretwo ikianaga mucere. Laban Kiplagat kuma ministry-ini ya urimi akiuga maya mothe ni maratangikirwo.
Other pests like quelia bats, the government is seriously also partnering with the county governments and other agencies of government to ensure that we preempt before they come and attack our crop. We should be able to preempt by spraying where they are roosting.
Muikariri giti wa arimi ni Wechege ni augite ati arimi ni makenete ni ndemu ya Thiba amu mai ni maramakinyira na njira njega na makahota kuongerera magetha ma mucere.
Muthenya wa muthenya nyende kwicokera Ngai ngatho muno tondu twina mai ma kuigana ni turikitie kugetha main crop tugetha mucoka riu tukite kimera gia keri ni ngwenda kuria arimi othe ni tucoke migunda tutige guikara icagi nigetha tuhote guteithia thirikari itu na guteithia bururi witu wa Kenya.
Arimi mongerera mucere kiria riu marabatara ni thoko ya mucere. Thirikari igitanywo kunyihia gikiro kia mucere uria ikoretwo ikigura kuma na nja wa bururi. Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Maina.
thegio muno wa Njiro wa Maina ni undu wa riboti iyo na riu tugithi na mbere ni ati aikari aria mekuihuirio ni matuko ya muthenya wa umuthi ni makorirwo magitharikira mwekoro umwe uria urashukirwo ni Muici wa Mahiu kuria makorirwo makimuraga no ende eri angi makoro magithara mwekoro ucio makorirwo makinyitikana riri megukoragwo magithinja ng'ombe iria marakorirwo mayite kuma gicigi-ini giki uko ni mwena wa Kiambu, county ya Kiambu, gicigo kia ubunge kia Lari, na kuria mwikariri giti wa nyumba 10 gicigo-ini giki kia Lari ni ugite ati riu ni gukwambikwo mitaratara iria igutigira ati mahukia uici wa mahiu.
Kwa leo walikuwa wanne na mmoja ndio mapatikana ndio wameuliwa hapa. Sasa tunataka kama ni serikali tusaidie kutafuta hii watu, kwa sababu hata wakienda watarudi tu na wachije hii ng'ombe kati wa ambapo walikuwa wanachija, kukawa na watu waliweza kupitia karibu na ndipo waliweza kuwavamia na mwizi mmoja akaweza kushikwa na akauawa. Alikuwa anahojiwa wamweleze hao wengine ni akina nani, lakini wakati alikataa kusema wengine ni akina nani, aliweza kuuawa na wale watu ambao waliweza kufika. Hata kama juzi kuna gari ilikuwa imeshikwa ikiwa imeiba kodoo na maafisa na officers wa DCI hapa Lari, ikaweza kufikishwa sasa kotini, lakini inaonekana ni kama wamejitokeza wezi wengine ambao wanaiba ng'ombe. Kumekuwa mpaka na wizi wa kuchija puda, na tunafikiria ya kwamba ni hawa wezi tu ambao wamekuwa wakifanya hii uhalifu.
Wakati nilikuwa natarajia kuja kuchukua ng'ombe, nikapigiwa simu nikaambiwa ng'ombe zangu zimechinjwa. Sasa nikafika hapa nikakuta imechinjwa. Ng'ombe zinanisaidiaga, nilikuwa nimenunua ikiwa wadama wadogo nikalea. Nilikuwa ninataka hizo ng'ombe zisifike kiasi niwe nikikamua nilishe boma yangu.
Tufahamu hawajulikani. Sasa ni kama watu ni wageni, hawatujui, ni wakuja na kubeba naenda. Tutafanya namna gani?
Ewa kwa imurete kureto gethie kuria county ya Kirinyaga kuria arimi anyanya kuma county ino ni magunikite na tafarira ya governor oku ani Waiguru kuria korio akiheana tuta wa kwanda nyanya. Waiguru akiuga ati aikari goku ni makorotwo magithinika gwa kahinda kuona ati makoragwo makigura nyanya ici kuma gya kuria mwena wa Naivasha, no riu tuta riu ni maitirwo wa gukorwo magikuria nyanya kwa wingi goku mwena wa Kirinyaga.
Itapushiwa Monday na Tuesday, so kwa hivyo
Kirinyaga niyo ikoragwo na nyanya iria nyingi muno makiria Kenya ng'ima, na tukinyetie tani 65,000 tons nizo tukoretwo na mbembe mwe Kenya, na project eno ya wezesha ne tutegetie arimi aingĩ a nyanya na tukongerera seedlings milioni 1 na ngiri 100 na tukahanda seedlings icio mugunda wigana eka 100 ria 22 na tugakorwo ni tuongereire nyanya iria irakurio Kirinyaga na ngiri 11 tani 11. Kwa uguo ni turona Kirinyaga ni rathi na mbere kiongagirira nyanya iria irakuria. Ni tubangite gukorwo ni turaka factory ya guthia nyanya ici niguo nyanya iria itaragurwo iria tureta cia table ta ici turendia guku thoko-ini icio ingi igakorwo ni iratwarwo githii-ini igathondekwo ta tomato paste uguo kana product ile githondekagwo na nyanya niguo tutigakorwo ati arimi aria marakuria nyanya ni marate nyanya ta nuthu iria makoretwo makuritie ni undu wa thoko kwaga.
Na turehoka mwaka uyu githii mwaka wa thirikari ugithii guthira around June there nitukahota gukorwo tukiruguria Her Excellency ni agoka na tuhote guteithiriria arimi aitu. ukuri-inĩ bwega wa irio ciao. Nitugukorwo tugitangirira makiria ma target itu ni ngurubu cia arimi iria twathondekire through Wezesha Kirinyaga, na twina makiria ya ngurubu 100 800 mainya. Ngurubu icio nicigukorwo cikibenefit kuma madini uyu.
Na riu nyamu ino ya account ya seed propagation ni oka guku ne gututeithia muno tondu taru nyanya ta ici ciakwa mbegu ndagirite ona Ivasha na ungi kamathabu ni costire muno kugira kundu kuraibu uguo.
Uguo ni turacokia ngatho nundu turithiaga o handu hakuhi
no riu nyanya ici tukagira go aba ikondira bana maritaite ndikabuthagira mbeca nyingi cia kuthi
kuma ku kaunti ya Kirinyaga tukorwo tukiugira kuria mwena wa Marsabit na kuria mugano umwe uria ukoragwo ugitetera ihoto cia andu riu ni matugetie maabitha a borithi kuma mwena wa Marsabit thutha wa gukorwo mategufania uthuthuria na gwikia ngono aria makuruhanirio na kuraga kwa mutumia uria umwe wecukirwo murogi kuma itura ria Kagi. Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa mugano mundu ugwitwo Kamau Ngugi andu ati miturire ya atumia riu ihatikaine wona kihoto kia mutumia uyo kiaga gwethwa.
The National Commission is here. I have been sent to do investigations into this matter, and our focus on as the National Commission is the right to life, because we are created by the Constitution to ensure that every citizen enjoys their right to life. So I won't be speaking to the case because we are still gathering facts, but I must state that we are very concerned that what we are hearing neighbors on inactivity by agencies who are supposed to have acted for purposes of ensuring that the perpetrators of this heinous crime are brought to justice.
In this particular case, she was accused of being a witch, together with a list of other women, some of who were brutally beaten. Luckily they survived, but in this particular case, Margaret died. The sad part is that it has required that human rights organizations have to travel the way to demand justice.
Naomba pia serikali kwa wale wa mama ambapo wamebaki hapa sasa kijiji, pengine kuna wale wameshaitwa majina yao, tafadhali tunaomba msiue hawa mama. Protect us, protect these women. They are innocent. Hakuna mali wanaweza fanya. Hata hawezi kukuchapa. Mbona mnakuja kuwachapa kwa manyumba yao?
Sisi tunaomba haki na hatutaki kitu kama hii happen tena. Hatutaki, tunataka hawa watu watafutwe juu wanajulikana wako wapi. Chief ameongea, amesema shida yake ni kuwa hana reinforcement. Chief asaidiwe apate reinforcement. Hawa watu
Poti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mwekega gwikire ndugathi haraya ni turacokereria na maingĩ
utongoria uria munene wa bururi uka nginyagia hau hakuja Wanjiku ni kurira ararira woyi wakwa
ko ni kurio hakwa ni no nyende maandamano mambie rucio tondu thirikari ino ni tuhinyiririe haria tukinyite
ati acio me ofisi-ini cia ubunge na kuria kungi ti aria twacagurire acio nio meheire mandate
eka thirikari iratwendera atia.
It is my duty and indeed the duty of every citizen of Kenya to pay their share of taxes.
There are a number of proposed tax measures will have significant negative impact on taxpayers.
Kiuria gia kuongerereka kwa garama ya muturire ikionekana gwakiriria o gwakia
kuma riria ndeto cia ugikuyu ciokie bururi uyu
noguo njohi raingihire kuma kuri anake a Gikuyu.
Hihi murugamo wa thirikari ni uriko?
If you want to remove our trousers and whippers on the buttock, go ahead. We don't have the money.
Wenge na urumwe wa Mugikuyu ugatuika niyo ndama ateti megwateire.
We are where we are today it is because of Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ihinda ni kinyu twarie maria matukonie ithui nyumba ya Mobi.
Rĩu rĩ gũtarĩ na maandamano marĩa marehwo nĩ baba wa nyuka wanyu rĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũrarathwo
nyitanĩra na Kariuki wa Ndwati akiunanĩra Njong'wa na ateti o hamwe na atongoria makĩrung'a ici. Nĩ o mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginyagia thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tũkĩgereka gabirũ ũtongoria wa bũrũri tabarĩra-inĩ ya kwendete ya kũrung'a igĩrĩ gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Gũtirĩ ngware mbico nĩkĩo na ithuĩ rĩa nauma ngo-inĩ tukiumagara tukĩribariba nĩguo tukahang'e. Gũkũ arĩ tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV.
Ũguo nĩ tũtabũrĩte kĩo na wĩrutĩri waku mĩethere-inĩ. Nĩkĩo tũkaga o hau haku wĩra-inĩ tukagĩa gĩikaro tukamenya ũhangaga atĩa na wanjĩrĩirie atĩa.
Thondekaga indo cia thukuru kuma baby class.
Ngĩandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho, andĩkĩtwo gĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo.
Nĩ o kiumia wa kerĩ ciĩhanda thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia ũtukũ
tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri o gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV, na ni Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Nĩtwagĩcokereria na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ ategi a thamaki makĩria ma 48 nĩ makoretwo magĩtharĩrio harĩ mĩhang'o yao ya gũtega thamaki kũrĩa mwena wa Naikuru. Nĩ thutha wa ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto gũkorwo agĩkĩra mĩtaratara ĩngĩ mĩerũ ya ũrĩa ũtegi wa thamaki ũgũkorwo ũkĩhanĩka. Ategi aya a thamaki marerĩkana gũkorwo mategete thamaki makĩria ma kiro 2,000 ũrĩa gũtagĩrĩire, na kuona atĩ makoretwo magĩka ũũ mũgarũ na watho nĩ kũringana na afitha wa KWS mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Joseph Dadacha.
My name is Joseph Dadacha. I am the Senior Assistant Director in charge of Central Rift Conservation Area of KWS. Over the last 2 months, we have been able to intercept 2,074 kilograms of fish. We have arrested 40 suspects. We have destroyed more than 300 fishing nets that were set in the lake, and also arrested 2 motorbikes and 2 vehicles that have been used in the illegal fishing transport in the illegal fishing business. What has been very, very clearly established is that the fish in Lake Nakuru is not fit for human consumption. Research findings that were undertaken through research by Kemfree, research by WRTI, have established that the fish have high levels of toxic chemicals.
Sampling has been done on the fish itself.
The results indicate that the fish has got high toxicity. Toxicity means high levels of chemicals. And in this case, I'm talking of chemicals called organochlorine pesticides. These results indicates that under all circumstances, the fish from Lake Nakuru is not fit.
I want to sound a very clear warning to all those involved in this illegal fishing business in Lake Nakuru that we will not leave any stone unturned. We are very determined to stamp out and enforce the law as much as possible. They'll be charged for illegal entry into a national park. They'll be charged for illegal extraction of fish resources, and also they'll be charged for engaging in illegal fish trade.
Na acere kuma kaunti ya Murang'a ni momerire okoro magiteithiriria hari gutambura taranda ciao niguo ikumateithiriria hari gwikuria kimuturire agitite mihonge itiganite onao ni mathinyiriri gukoro magitambura taranda cia ciana na kumateithiriria hari githomo giki kiao kero gia CBC.
We have 3 events going on today, which is chess, then we have Scrabble, and then we have the Mr. and Mrs. Snokras Murang'a here at the venue where you see. So basically we are part of driving the community and making sure that we support the community, as it is part of our mission, supporting the community and the kids, trying to make sure that the talents the kids have are not going to waste.
So for the parents out here, we encourage you to kindly identify the talents that your kids have. If your kids have passion in modeling or in any other activity you see your kids has interest in, kindly motivate them and encourage them to start as early as now, because they believe when a kid is taught something when they are small, they will never forget it even as they grow up. So we encourage you parents to kindly help your kids identify their talents and their abilities when they are still young, and they start as early as now. By the time they are growing up and they're 18 and years and above, they'll be able to at least utilize it and have a smooth flow.
The first edition ever, but we are purposing to continue it yearly, having that we are opening doors for talents in Murang'a County. So we are trying to support the kids from a very young age so that they don't disappear in this drugs and alcohol things that are going around, so that we purpose to support their talent.
So I will recommend that the CBC curriculum should support chess as an activity that will enhance the expansion and the brains of the baby in the concentration in school.
Haya, imwe kwa imwe tuigire kuria iharo-ini citu na kuria tukambiria na riboti ya kugacirithia kagi guku bururi-ini na kuria afitha munene wa mathako wa Extreme Hussein Mohamed niaugite bata wa kugacirithia mbitika cia mubira wa maguru guku bururi-ini. Hussein ari muhariri-ini giti kia mutongoria wa kiama kia FKF niatariirie bata wa kugacirithia imwe cia mbitika cia ligi ya guku bururi-ini na ligi cia gathi ya thĩ arĩ njĩra ya ũteithio harĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. na mwere witu hau niho ngukorwo ngitirihira gikunjiro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa mothe ngatho cia mwanya makiria ni we gwitikira utarana ithuku mariria twambiriirie gikunjiro giki nginyagia riu ngatho cia mwanya makiria kuri aria othe twaikora tukinyitana nao nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria aria magikorwo magituma ndumiriri ciao kuria mwena wa Facebook na njokerie ngatho aria twagitindania na guku studio aria magitigira ati mohoro maya maitu ni makorwo magigukinya na njira iria ibacĩrĩrĩkĩte ngũrĩkanĩte wana ciarĩkia kũhanda thaa ĩmwe horo nginyagia thaa ithatũ aiki aitu a mohoro ni megũkorwo makumathĩire maingĩ marĩa tũka haha tũkũmemerekereire na wa thaa ici njĩtĩkĩria nĩ ngorwo ngĩkinya hau njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kimani ngakwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega.